morning students. This video is for class 3 students and the subject is computer. This is the second video from lesson number 2. In first video we have completed some of the portion of this chapter number 2, and I am just giving you the quick revision of that portion which I have completed in previous video. That is the different functions of an operating system. So different functions you have learned. The first one we have learned that it coordinates the function of various hardware devices. The second one is it passes the instructions of a user. Then it enables the user and software to interact with the hardware. The next one, that is it provides a unique platform to run different types of software. The last one we have learned, that is it also performs the function of retrieving, storing, naming and protecting files. So this is the quick revision of previous first video. In this video I am going to explain about different version of the Microsoft Windows, different versions of computer. Microsoft Windows is widely used GUI. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. Okay, GUI is a graphical user interface which enables the user to interact with a software with the help of graphical elements such as icons, buttons, backgrounds, images and screensaver, etc. So many different options are there. Today I am going to explain what are the different versions over the years are, different versions of computer. The first one you can see in your book, it is in page number 12. The first version is Windows 3.0. The next one is Windows NT. The next third one is Windows 98. The fourth one is Windows XP. Next is Windows 7. Next one, it is number 6, that is the Windows 8.1. Number 7, Windows 3.1. Number 8, Windows 95. Next one is Windows 2000. The another version of computer is Windows Vista. Next is Windows 8. The last one is Windows 10. So these are the different versions of computer which you have to learn by itself, so that if you somebody asking you that what are the different versions of computer, then you can give the answer. So you just write down all these versions in your copy, computer copy, and start learning it. Okay, so these are the different versions of a computer. You have to learn it. First of all, you just write down in your copy and start learning it. The next topic which we are going to learn today, that is how we can access different option in your computer. In previous class, in class 2, you have already learned what are the different steps, what are the steps you have to follow to switch on the computer. First of all, you have to just switch on the main power, then switch on the CPU. Your computer is going to be switched on and it is ready for your work. Now if you look at on your screen, this is my computer screen, and in your book page number 13, one by one some topics are given there, some components of Windows desktop which you have to learn today. I am going to explain it. The first of all, I told you that this part of a computer is called desktop. The main screen of a computer which you can see on your computer, that is called desktop. Sub-components of Windows desktop are, the first is documents. So documents, you can, if you just looking one by one on the different icons of a computer, you can see that it is the document part, a document icon of your computer. When you double click on that, you can see different documents in your computer. Okay, the document, what type of information is stored by the document, that is, it stores the files or other documents which the user wants to access quickly. Document is the default location to save a Microsoft Office file. So these are the different files which you can access quickly by using a document. The next component of a desktop screen is, which you have to learn, that is the recycle bin. Recycle bin, you can look at on your desktop, that by looking at on the icon, you can see this is the recycle bin icon. You can see dustbin is looking at there, then recycle bin is written here. When you double click on this icon, you can open it. It is the recycle bin. What is the use of this recycle bin? That is, as the name signifies, it is like a dustbin. What are the uses of dustbin? All of you know that the wastage of our computer, what files which we want to delete, we can, when we are deleting it, that will goes into the recycle bin. As the name signifies, it is like a dustbin. Any file or folder which is deleted in Windows get automatically transferred to the recycle bin, from where we can restore it whenever required. So some of the times by mistake we have deleted some files, that those files you can restore from this recycle bin. It is the only icon that cannot be removed from the desktop. This icon you cannot remove from the desktop. The next component of the desktop screen is taskbar. Okay, it is the taskbar. So what is the work of taskbar? Taskbar is placed at the bottom of the Windows screen. If you look at the bottom of the Windows screen, a thin line or thin pattern you can see. It is a it is called taskbar. So it is a place at the bottom of the Windows screen. On the right side of the taskbar, right and left side, both side you can see different icons are there. On the right side of the taskbar, you can see so many icons that those are having some important work. That is the first one is speaker. You can increase the volume of your computer. You can increase the volume of computer. And then the next one is, if you look at the right bottom of this taskbar, you can see different icons are there. That one of the icon you can see at the corner, it is the date and time. You can change the date of time by clicking on it. Next of it, you can see it is the speaker. You can increase or decrease the volume of your speaker. The next one is internet connection. If you are connecting your computer with an internet, this icon is help you for connecting your computer with the help of internet. So these are the different desktop components which you have to learn today. The first we have learned the desktop in the desktop document. Second one we have learned, that is the recycle bin. The third one we have learned the taskbar. So these are the different desktop components which we have learned. Next, if you look at in your book page number 14, one lab assignment and activity is given there. You have to perform that lab assignment and activity. The first one, begin window operating system on your computer. Double click on the recycle bin icon. Double click on the recycle bin icon. So I have told you, if you look at on your desktop, then you can see a dustbin picture. Then you have to double click on that recycle bin icon. Double click on documents and explore the files. On your document icon, double click on that and explore any file. Click on any file. You can see what is kept in that particular file. Explore the icons present in the taskbar. I have told what are the different icons present in your taskbar. The first icon, if you see that it is the date and time. So you just click on that date and time. You can see a calendar on your screen. It is the calendar when you click on date and time option. Then it is the date and time option. The next one is speaker. When you click on this speaker, you can increase the volume of your speaker in your computer. Then when you click on this internet access button, you can access the internet. Observe the current time of the computer system. When you click on this date and time option, you can see the calendar. From here you can observe the calendar and today's date and time of on this computer, which is shown on your computer. So this is your lab assignment. If you have computer at your home, then you can do the lab assignment according to the instructions which I have given. This is all about today's topic. What you have to do, first of all, you have to just take out your copy, write down the different versions of a computer. Thank you and have a nice day.